Hey guys, we're doing the team draw for the $4 prizm break for tonight. Random is live, it's 10:59:30 AM Melbourne time. Participants, dice roll, we're going 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Teams. Going 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Yoink. Random page complete. I need that one. I need that one. Steve Harrison Jazz, Steve Harrison Blazers, Marcus a lot Clippers, Brendan with the Wizards and Knicks, Albie with the Nets, Glenn Jackson Raptors, Deegan with the Suns, Jeffrey Elliott Sixers, Mr. Holland Pacers, Marcus a lot Heat, Daly with the Kings, Thomas Parlak Mavericks, Sean Thon Cavs, Heath Kingham Bulls, Javasi with the Hornets, Daly with the Hawks, Glenn Jackson Rockets, Albie with the Wolves, Brendan with the Pelicans, Jeffrey Elliott with the Spurs, Stuart Sales with the Warriors, Daly with Thunder, Mr. Holland with Magic, Johnny Deegan with the Bucks, Brendan with the Celtics, Heath Kingham with Pistons, Parlak with the Nuggets, Brendan with the Grizz, and Heath Kingham with the Lakers. And that's the teams. Jesus, Brendan got like every good team. Time is 11:01.